My friends, if you've ever gone to summer camp, you've probably come home tired and sweaty and dirty. You know, the sun, the woods, the lake. But imagine a camp where you make your ideas come to life. I'm talking about an engineering camp. Today on the Treehouse, we look at an amazing summer camp called Blue Stamp Engineering. Started back in 2010, Blue Stamp gives high school students a chance to build things they can only imagine. Blue Stamp Engineering founders, we have them here because this is the Treehouse. So we have Dave Young and Robin Mansukani. You guys, what do you think? You look at that, and what do you think of that video?
It's great to see them building things and making things happen.
You came up with this a couple years ago because you were friends in school, but why did you come up with a summer camp? Like, why not just run a contest and get on with your lives?
It just seemed like it was a good fit. You know, it takes a long time and multiple hours a day to make something like this happen. So it seemed like 6 weeks in the summer was a perfect venue.
But why tie it into, integrating this into college students, inspiring kids? Obviously, you guys have a passion for inspiring other kids to follow their passion.
You spend a lot of time in school, so 17 years from kindergarten to college, it's a huge portion of your life to devote to learning. Why not have some fun? And that was a pretty good idea. Let's have fun, let's learn, let's be productive.
These projects just blow your mind. They aren't just simple tasks where they follow directions, 1, 2, 3, step by step. They tackle things like, building a robot, a GPS device, or maybe a wind turbine. Yeah, that's a good idea. In fact, that's what Katie Hans built. She's sitting right next to me here in the Treehouse. She built, yes, you guessed it, folks, this centerpiece, lovely centerpiece for our table, a wind turbine. Hey, Katie.
Hi.
Welcome to the Treehouse. What's a turbine?
A wind turbine is basically this device right here, and it takes wind energy, so all the speed of the wind, and it turns it into electrical energy that can be used to do something like light a light bulb.
What did you learn about yourself as a thinker that most surprised you?
I think what most surprised me was how hard it was when you put a lot of effort into something and then it doesn't work.
Whether you give up or not.
And then saying, you know what, I'm not going to give up. And the reward is so much greater, I think, when you have struggled with it and then it finally works in the end. What I've most appreciated that they've offered to me is the forum in which I can explore engineering. And then on a more personal level, I was really, really intimidated by this idea of engineering and I'm spending 6 weeks of the summer at engineering camp.
Several hours a day.
4 hours a day.
And you have to apply.
And
you have to
there
apply
was this whole
for
idea when, before I actually signed up for the program, I was like, this application process sounds really scary. Engineering sounds really scary.
Are you guys enjoying that?
And then, no, there's a good part in all of this.
Okay.
And I went to my interview and I brought both my parents with me. And
a casual interview?
Casual interview. We met in a coffee shop with both of my parents. And from that moment on, I was really no longer worried about doing the camp.